Hello everyone, welcome to our channel codersarcade. In this session, I will be explaining a very important topic which is frequently asked in interviews by interviewers to freshers as well as experienced candidates. The topic is anagrams. Before starting this video, I would like to request you people to please like and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade and press the bell icon so that you receive notifications regarding our latest updates. Also, you do not miss out on our future uploads. Thank you. So let's get started. As I said, today's topic is anagrams. So the first thing that comes to our mind is what do you mean by anagrams? So an anagram is a word or phrase that's formed by rearranging the letters of another word or phrase. So it's a bit confusing, right? So let me give you an example. Say the letters that make up the word dormitory can be turned into the anagram or word dirty room. Similarly, there are many other examples like brush and shrub, schoolmaster and the classroom, editor and the word redo it, angered and enraged, Apple Macintosh and laptop machines, and last but not the least, my favorite, which is 11 plus 2, which is equal to 12 plus 1. Okay, now you know the basics regarding what are anagrams, right? Let us do one thing. Let us write a Python program so that we can get a real-time experience of taking user input of two strings and then comparing the two strings and deciding or determining whether the two strings are anagrams or not. So let's start. As you can see here, I am inside my PyCharm IDE. I will go to my project panel or window, and in my codersarcade directory, I will create a new subdirectory, interview questions. Okay. In this subdirectory, I will create a new Python file named anagrams, and I will press enter. Let me just minimize this. Okay. Now what I will do is I will take a basic string value or data, say string underscore data equal, and here what I will do is I will take a sequence of string of all the 26 alphabets. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is the basic database from where we will be searching our strings and comparing them. Now let us take the two other string values. So let it be S1 is equal to input, enter the string 1, and just to take the control to the next line I will give /n. Similarly S2 is equal to input, and let me just copy this thing. And this should be 2, right? Yeah. Okay. After that, now comes the main part. I will use a for loop so that I can iterate inside my string data or my database. So what I will do is I will use a for loop for I in string data, my variable. Now I will use the if statement. If I in S1, then I want to append the data into one final variable. So let me do one thing. I will write S1 underscore final and make it an empty list. Similarly, here also I will do the same thing. S2 underscore final, and it will also be an empty list. Okay. what I will do is I will write s1 final dot. I will use the append method and I will append that loop variable I if it is present in my string data variable in this 26 letters of my alphabets. Okay, now this is done for the first one. Now I have to do the same thing for my second variable as well, which is s2. So for j in string data, if j in s2, so it will be s2 final dot append. What should I append? I should append the value of the loop variable j, which is iterating over s2. So now these two are done. Now, in order to have a cross verification, what I will do is I will print both the s1 final and s2 final lists. Let us do it. Print s1 final, comma s2 final. And then what I will do is I will write the logic now. If s1 final equal s2 final, then I will print with the help of formatted strings and placeholders s1 and s2 are anagrams, or else I will go to the else statement and here I will print. Let me copy this thing again because I just have to put one not. So Control C, Control V, and now are not anagrams. Now this is the logic and we have implemented it. Let us see if it is working or not. So I'll right click and run this. It's asking me for the first string. So let it be dirty room, and the second one let it be dormitory. Okay, now let me press enter. Okay, now it's working. You can see it's printing two lists for this print statement, s1 final and s2 final. So those are here, as you can see here. This is the first one and this is the second one, and as you can see here, both are the same set of lists with the same items. Therefore, we are finding that dirty room and dormitory are anagrams. Let us try for some other examples. So let me just run it once again. Here I will take some other examples. So editor, and here I will write redo it and I'll press enter. So you can see these are anagrams. Editor and redo it are anagrams. So it's working perfectly fine. Let us take some example which is not an anagram. So first string, let it be help, and the other one be hide. So as you can see directly, these are not anagrams. I will just print them or I'll press enter. You can see it's printing help and hide are not anagrams. So this is working perfectly fine. So I hope you've understood this. I've explained the entire logic behind it. So if you have any doubts in the execution of the same program, you can ping them in the comment section. And if you really like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications regarding our latest updates. Thank you. This is Saurabh signing off. See you in the next one.